This is Forex Insights with CIS Trading at thinkorswimtoolkit.com. In focus, the Great British Pound for the week. First in focus, we're going to take a look at the Euro and the British Pound trade. This has been a very shallow market depth trade for some period of time. However, we did have a sell signal last week on this trade, and we're looking for an 88.66 target. We did hit that target today, came right down to that 88.55 area where our trend support is. We do have a low target of 88.20 on that trade, and we are trading below our sell signal for the day at 88.90 currently, and that's the Euro British Pound. Let's take a quick look at our British Pound and the Japanese yen trade. We did have a support level today of right around the 147.75 area, looking for a potential target high today of around 148.70, somewhere in that range, and we haven't seen that move up yet. We have consolidated on an inside bar, but stayed on the buy side most of that day. We don't show anything significant on our price action metrics nor our momentum metrics that would signify a change there, with a major low level there of 146.98 to keep in mind. Quick look at the British Pound and the US dollar. We do have a buy signal for the day from the 138.53 area up to a potential high of 139.15, and we're trading just below that. We've almost come up into that high today. We do have a trend support level at 136.99, somewhere in that range, right around that 137 even level, with another price support level around 137.40, and a potential high target on this trade, long British Pound against the US dollar, up to the 140.25, 140.30 region. We're going to focus on the British Pound and the Canadian dollar today. We also have a long position there, Great British Pound against the Canadian dollar. We had a buy above the 177.15 region with a target of 178.88, somewhere in that range. We do have a price support, price action metric support around the 175.30 area, with a bullish trend support at 171.98.5. Our British Pound Australian dollar, we do have a buy on that today from above the 175.84 area up to the region that we're at right now, which is the 176.57 area, and a potential price target long British Pound against the Australian dollar up to the 178.12 area. And last, we'll take a quick look at the British Pound and the Swiss franc. We do have a buy signal on the British Pound and the Swiss franc today from around the 131.50 area all the way up to our first target, which is a 131.88, with a potential high target on that trade up to the 132.66 region. We have a trend support, bullish trend support, right around the 131.20 level, and a price action metric support with momentum support at 130.55 even. This is a trade that we have consolidated within a range for quite some time, and we have just traded out above that high over the course of the last couple of trading sessions, so that is something to keep in mind. This is CIS Trading at thinkorswimtoolkit.com.